right?
Oh, all right.
Aye. That must be the first one here, mate.
Yeah, listen, we're running a bit late. That folder there holds the points they're going to raise, if you want to have a look.
Oh, thanks.
Aye.
Many English-speaking Welsh people think of Plaid Cymru as a party only for Welsh speakers. That they look down on English speakers and regard them as somehow less Welsh. English-speaking Welsh people find this highly offensive.
I'm one of them. And it is offensive. Worse, it's patronising.
I'm sorry about that. It's not true. The Party of Wales is the party of all Wales, all languages, all classes, all colours.
Well, say that, just like you said it to me there.
I will. People see you as a single interest party. They perceive that your membership has no ideological core. You're too wide a church. People have no idea where you're coming from.
That's true, no.
Okay, well, basically what we are is a Welsh socialist party for the entire nation. The only Welsh socialist party, in fact.
What about Labour? Only joking.
It's frustrating. I mean, we opposed this terrible war in Iraq from the off, for instance. We said it was illegal, that it was robbery and murder justified by lies. And now everyone sees we were right. Over 100,000 Iraqis killed. Young working class boys and girls sent halfway around the world to risk their lives so that a bunch of American billionaires can plunder another nation's wealth. For the self-glorification of Tony Blair, a man without integrity. We said all this loud and clear.
Well, maybe you need to say these things more loudly, more clearly, confront the difficult questions head on. But you won't. Politicians never do. They lie all the time. Everyone knows that.
We don't.
Of course you do. Take independence, for instance. Do you really believe that there are people who vote for you now who'd stop voting for you if you said you wanted independence? If you think that, then you are stupid. There are a lot of people in Wales who want independence. And a majority support a proper parliament and all. Me, for one. I'd vote for that.
You're right. For people to have confidence in us, we have to have confidence in ourselves about what we stand for. A political party that's constantly on the defensive is never going to get anywhere. We're not some social group for the select few, a preservation society. We're a political party. We want to win. We want power for the people of Wales, an independent Wales.
You almost sound as if you mean it.
I do mean it. We mean it. And if there are those that don't realise it, they better wise up. Because the Party of Wales is a party that everyone in Wales is invited to. And where everyone in Wales will be welcomed with open arms.
You know, you've almost convinced me.
Well, that's a start.